In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudbot. To get started, head over to the StreamElements dashboard. This is where you'll manage your bot settings, commands, timers, and moderation tools all in one place. Once the page loads, take a look at your main dashboard screen. On the right-hand side, you should see a module labeled Bot Settings. This section is important because it controls whether the bot is connected to your channel and ready to work in your chat. From there, click the blue Join Channel button. This connects the bot to your stream so it can begin responding to commands and handling chat features. After you've done that, open your live streaming platform's chat room, such as Twitch. You'll need to give the bot moderator permissions so it can fully manage commands and assist with moderation tasks. In your chat, type the command /mod followed by StreamElements, then press enter. This grants the bot the permissions it needs to function properly in your channel. If the bot isn't given mod access, some features may not work as expected, so this is an important part of the setup. Once that's complete, return to the StreamElements dashboard and look at the sidebar navigation. Find the chatbot section and click it to expand the menu, then select chat commands. This is where you'll be able to review the built-in commands available for your community. You can toggle the switches here to enable or disable default commands depending on what you want active in your chat. This is a good time to customize things so your viewers only see the commands that are useful for your stream. Next, click on Custom Commands if you want to create your own command triggers. This allows you to build commands tailored to your content community or stream schedule. Custom commands can be especially helpful for answering common questions, sharing links, or automating repeated chat responses. After that, make sure to enable automated timers. Timers are useful for sending scheduled messages into chat automatically, which can help remind viewers about rules, social links, or other important information without you having to post it manually during a stream. Finally, set up chat moderation. This helps keep your chat clean, organized, and easier to manage, especially as your audience grows. With moderation tools in place, your bot can help reduce spam and support a better experience for everyone in your community. And that's it. Once these settings are in place, your Cloudbot setup will be ready to support your stream more effectively.